Last class you studied about the ligands, different types of ligands, and here now you have to study the name and the charge of the ligands. So OH, the name of the OH ligand is hydroxo and charge is -1. You know generally OH is called hydroxyl. So if there is the ligand is a negative ion, the ending of the name should be with the O. That is why it is hydroxo. Then similarly Cl, it is called chloro, -1 charge, or chlorido. NO2, that is nitrito-N, charge -1. The peculiarity of NO2 is here nitrogen can be connected, then it is called nitrito-N. Oxygen is also can be connected, then it is called nitrito-O. Charge is -1. Similarly Br, that is called bromo. So if a negative ligand, the end of the name should be with O. Now there are ligands which are having charge 0. Example, NH3, that is called amine. Amine, charge is 0. Charge is 0 for NH3. Similarly, CO, that is carbonyl, charge is 0. Then next is En, that is ethyene 1,2-diamine, charge is also 0. Then next is H2O, it is called aqua, charge is 0. So these are the ligands which are having charge 0. NH3 called amine, CO called carbonyl, En called ethyene 1,2-diamine, charge 0. Then H2O called aqua, its charge is also 0. Now other ligands are with a charge 2, -2 is CO3. CO3, the name is carbonato. Carbonato, -2. Then SO4, it is called sulfato, charge -2. Then sulfate, then it is C2O4 called oxalato, that is also having charge -2. So these are the charge charge with negatives -2, carbonato CO3, SO4 sulfato, and C2O4 called oxalato, charge is -2. Now while naming a coordination compound, we have to follow some rules regarding this. For example, consider this one K3FeCN6. So the IUPAC name of the compound is, if there is a metal, another example is CONH3 6 times, Cl3. So in the first case, it contains potassium outside the complex. So start with the name of the metal. If there is a metal outside the complex, we have to, while naming the compound, we have to start with the metal name. So here it is K, that is potassium. Potassium. Then second, we have to start with the number of ligands. So here ligand is cyanide, and there are 6 cyanide. So it is called, cyanide is a negative ion, so I have to call cyano. There are 6 CN molecules. So it is called hexacyano. Potassium hexacyano. Then next is the central atom. So while naming the central atom, we have to consider the charge of the complex. If the total charge of the complex is negative, then we have to add ATE to its name. For example, here cyanide is having -1 charge, so totally -6. -6 there are +1 charge for potassium, so +3. So the remaining charge is -3. So complex is FeCN6 3 minus, that's a negative ion. So we have to add ATE to the name of ion. So when you add ATE, you have to use the Latin name. So the correct name is potassium hexacyanoferrate. Then after that, you have to write its oxidation state. So this is -6. So here it is +3. So remaining +3 is for iron. So we have to write ferrate 3 in Roman letters. So the correct name for the compound, IUPAC name is potassium hexacyanoferrate 3. So in the second case, there is no metal outside the complex. So in that case, we have to start with the number of ligands. So there are 6 ligand of NH3 molecules. So it is called hexaamine. Then consider charge. Ammonia charge is 0. So oxidation state of cobalt is -1 for chlorine. So there are 3 chlorine atoms, -3. So oxidation state of cobalt is +3. So name is hexaamine. Complex is not negative. So I have to write only cobalt. So hexaamine, cobalt. Then oxidation state is 3. Then outside the bracket is chlorine. So you add chloride. Hexaamine, cobalt 3, chloride. If there are more than one ligand inside the complex, then we have to write according to alphabetic order. For example, CO, NH3 5 times, Cl, Cl2. So in this case, there are 2 ligands inside the complex. One is chlorine, chloro, other is amine. So you have to follow alphabetic order. So you have to start with this name. 5 NH3 molecules. So it is called pentaamine. Then there is a chlorine atom. So chloro. Then cobalt. Complex is -1 here. This is 0. So complex is not negative. So pentaamine, cobalt, chloro, cobalt 3, chloride. Pentaamine, chloro, cobalt 3, chloride. So we have to use ATE added to Latin name only if the complex is a negative ion. In other cases, you have to write the actual name up. And after that, you have to write in bracket its oxidation state. Then some more examples. K2 ZnOH 4 times. So here I will write the name of this compound. Here metal outside the complex is potassium. The ligand is OH. Then central atom is zinc, Zn. So you have to start with the metal first. So it is potassium. Then there are 4 OH groups. So it is tetra, then OH hydroxo. Then considering the complex, OH charge is -1, so there are 4, -4. Potassium +1, there are 2 atoms, so -4 +2, so that is -2. So complex charge is -2, so you have to add ATE, so it is syngate. Syngate, oxidation state is +2.